CoinGecko is a popular cryptocurrency data platform that provides in-depth information about cryptocurrencies, tokens, and blockchain projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crypto enthusiast, CoinGecko offers a wide range of features to help manage and track your crypto assets. Here's how to use CoinGecko effectively. Creating an account. While CoinGecko offers most features for free without an account, creating an account allows you to save portfolios, set alerts, and track personal data such as price changes or market trends. Exploring cryptocurrencies. On the homepage, you can explore thousands of cryptocurrencies listed on CoinGecko. Use the search bar to find a specific coin or token. Each coin page provides information such as price, market cap, 24-hour trading volume, supply, and historical data. Using market data. Navigate to the markets tab to see where a specific cryptocurrency is being traded, including exchanges, trading pairs, and liquidity. This helps users understand which platforms are most active for a particular cryptocurrency. Portfolio management. You can create a portfolio by adding different cryptocurrencies. This feature helps track the performance of your investments over time and view real-time updates on holdings. Setting alerts. CoinGecko allows users to set price alerts for cryptocurrencies. This feature notifies you when a coin or token reaches a specific price, making it easier to manage investments or trading strategies. Research and news. The research section provides in-depth analysis, while the news tab keeps users updated on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market.